Welcome to DrakusTV. I'm your host, Drakus. Today we open the Ghost Rider from Marvel Legends, celebrating the 85 years from Hasbro. I paid $49.99 in Amazon, but currently it's actually going for more than what I paid. Let's look at the box. Let's open it. And this is what we have inside the package. So let's build a motorcycle and get the Ghost Rider out of there. So that's the Ghost Rider with the motorcycle, and the motorcycle looks awesome, and it has a feature that I really like over the Johnny Blaze motorcycle and Ghost Rider. So let's look at the Ghost Rider first. It had the standard articulation and many Marvel Legends. The head move, rotates, doesn't have. It had this kind of movement. It does open and close the jaw, and now it's not gonna close. The arm articulation is, I just barely opened this one. So, yep, it has rotation on the bicep. We have double jointed elbow. It has rotation on the wrist, bending on the wrist. We have up crunch and has rotation at the waist. It has ball jointed on. Wait a moment, this is drop. Excellent. You can drop at the hip, and it's a standard Marvel articulation. You can do this thing. Wow, excellent. And it has tie rotation and very well concealed. It has double bent knee, but it doesn't want to bend. It has rotation at the boot. It has standard articulation of the ankle with the swivel, and so has there you go, the rotation of the ankle. I don't remember him having only one of these. Actually, I don't remember him having one at all there, but that's okay with me. He did have the chain around the neck, and he brings the chain, the flaming chain. Let's look at the back. Yep, he's wearing the jeans. He's wearing the black biker's leather jacket. It looks awesome. It really looks awesome. And the motorcycle, let's see if we can take a look at the motorcycle without having this guy turning into a mess. The motorcycle is just a piece of plastic. But it's a nice piece of plastic. It had very nice feature. Let me swap with this guy here. I put it right here. Come on, try it. Thank you. And the thing is, the set came with those two. That if you want with only one of them, you had all the stability you need to stand your motorcycle. You want to put both of them, or maybe you can put both of them. But the other thing I found is that you look at the bottom here, you could pull this bar either in the front or the bottom of the motorcycle. And also there is this hole here for this effect. You put it there, so you put it like that, and now you have your motorcycle trying to scale walls. The other excellent feature about this motorcycle, once you put it together, I don't know if you saw me, if you saw me putting it together, yeah, you had this thing doesn't swivel whatsoever, right? That's fine. You have the power here. You call it as a feature. The thing is, this thing has the feature of the battering ram. This part drops down, goes lower, so it can use it as a battering ram. There you go. And now you have the Ghost Rider motorcycle in battering mode, and when you are using just as a normal cycle, then you put it back up. So that's it in a nice detail that I put there. Let's put a Ghost Rider on the motorcycle. Look at that face of the Ghost Rider. So, what do we need? We need to give him his chain, because I want to break continuity. That's okay. Dude! Well, I'm gonna say this is brand new. Okay. Wow. That doesn't look that good. Dude, it's also here. Look at the camera like that. Let me. What is your swivel rotation? What is your swivel rotation? Oh, I need it. There you go. Oh wow, look at that. Yep. That's a money shot. I'm very happy having this guy. We need to make a few comparisons now. And here we have Johnny Blaze Ghost Rider and Danny Cage Ghost Rider. And both figures, they look awesome. This Ghost Rider of Johnny Blaze, let's take a look at this one very closely, fast. Hope it doesn't show all the dust it has in there. Right. It's a very nice motorcycle. Come out the time that they even have a motorcycle for it's the same I think it's the same motorcycle, not sure now, that they use for Wolverine set. This portion you can remove it, you can make it look a little bit normal, right? Remove this portion from there. Excellent representation of that Johnny Blaze Ghost Rider. So let me get this Ghost Rider out of here so we can make a comparison of these two Ghost Riders. It's about the same head skull, right? I know the hairpiece is the same molded. Not the paint. The paint is slightly different. Okay. So yeah, it's just they went for more orangey colors for the flame on the Ghost Rider Danny Cage Ghost Rider, and they went for more subtle coloration between yellow and orange for the 20 Blaze Ghost Rider, and I'm fine with both actually. Ghost Rider. This has been an opening and review of the Ghost Rider from Marvel Legends series, celebrating the 85 years anniversary. Thank you for watching and take care.